Are you looking for the best electric bikes under $800? You X039, in the right place today. We in X039, LL explore 5 incredible e-bikes that pack impressive features, powerful. Product 1, 1000W Folding Electric Bike. End quote. First up is the 1000W Folding Electric Bike, a top pick for those looking for power, portability, and convenience at an affordable price. Let's start with the motor. This bike is equipped with a powerful 1000W motor, allowing you to reach speeds of up to 25 miles per hour. This makes it perfect for quick commutes, off-road adventures, or simply breezing through your errands in no time. Now, on to the battery. It comes with a 48V20Ah removable lithium battery, giving you a range of up to 50 miles on a single charge. The removable feature is especially handy for charging indoors, whether you in #039, at work or home. One of the standout features is its foldable design. This bike folds neatly, making it easy to store in tight spaces like apartments, car trunks, or even under a desk. Commuters who need a portable yet powerful e-bike will love this aspect. Additionally, the fat tires provide excellent stability and grip, making this bike suitable for various terrains, from city streets to light trails. Its dual-disc brakes ensure reliable stopping power, adding to its safety. Let's talk about some pros. This bike is highly portable, has a long-lasting battery, and is built for both urban and off-road use. However, it does have some cons. The top speed of 25 miles per hour might not be enough for thrill seekers, and while it's durable, it lacks suspension for extremely rugged trails. For just $799, the 1000W Folding Electric Bike offers exceptional value. It's perfect for anyone who needs a reliable, compact, and powerful ride. So, what are you waiting for? This could be your next adventure companion. End quote. Product 2, Jasion Roamer ST Electric Bike. End quote. Next, we have the Jasion Roamer ST Electric Bike, a sleek and stylish commuter bike that's designed to take your city rides to the next level. Let's start with the motor. This bike features a 1200W peak motor that can propel you to speeds of up to 28 miles per hour. Whether you're commuting to work or cruising through the neighborhood, this bike ensures you'll get there quickly and in style. The battery is a 48V removable lithium-ion unit that offers a range of up to 55 miles on a single charge. It's easy to detach, so you can charge it wherever it's convenient for you. What sets the Jasion Roamer apart is its focus on comfort and control. It comes with a front suspension fork to absorb shocks and vibrations, ensuring a smooth ride even on uneven surfaces. The LCD display is another great touch, providing real-time updates on speed, battery life, and more. With 26-inch tires, this bike offers excellent stability, and the lightweight frame makes it easy to handle. It's a fantastic choice for city commuters who want a bike that's both practical and stylish. Pros: this bike stands out for its sleek design, powerful motor, and impressive battery range. On the downside, it's slightly heavier than some other commuter bikes and is primarily built for urban use, not off-road adventures. Priced at just $750, the Jasion Roamer ST electric bike is a fantastic deal for city dwellers looking for performance and style. Don't miss out on this one. End quote. Product 3, V8 Electric Bike for Adults. End quote. Our third pick is the V8 Electric Bike for Adults, a rugged yet affordable option for anyone who loves exploring both the city and the great outdoors. Starting with the motor, this bike features a 750W brushless motor that delivers solid performance for daily commuting or light trail riding. It's powerful enough to tackle inclines with ease, making it a versatile option for various terrains. The battery is a 48V15Ah removable unit, offering a range of up to 45 miles per charge. Whether you're commuting to work or going for a weekend ride, the V8 has you covered. One of the highlights of this bike is its fat tires, which provide incredible stability and traction. These tires are perfect for sandy paths, gravel roads, or even snowy conditions. Paired with its lightweight aluminum frame, the V8 offers a smooth and stable ride. It also comes with dual-disc brakes for safe and reliable stopping power. And while it lacks advanced suspension, its design compensates with comfort and durability. What's great about this bike? It's versatile, has excellent range, and is built for both urban and off-road adventures. The cons? It doesn't have the same speed or power as higher-end models, but for $799, it's a solid deal. If you want a dependable and versatile e-bike for under $800, the V8 is an excellent choice. Product 4, S8 Peak 3000W Dual Motor Electric Bike. Now, let's talk about the S8 Peak 3000W Dual Motor Electric Bike. If you're looking for serious power, this bike is the ultimate choice under $800. The standout feature of this bike is its dual 3000W motors, which deliver a peak speed of 30 miles per hour. With this much power, you'll conquer steep hills, tough trails, and long roads with ease. The battery is just as impressive. It's a high-capacity unit designed to give you a range of up to 50 miles. Whether you're tackling a mountain trail or cruising through the city, the S8 Peak has the endurance to keep up. For added comfort, this bike features hydraulic suspension, which absorbs shocks and ensures a smooth ride, even on rugged terrain. The fat tires provide exceptional traction and stability, while the dual-disc brakes ensure safe stopping power. What are the pros? Incredible power, excellent range, and a rugged design make this bike perfect for adventure lovers. The cons? It's heavier and requires more frequent maintenance due to its advanced features. For $799, the S8 Peak electric bike delivers unmatched performance and power. Adventure awaits with this beast. Product 5, Riding and #039 x 1500W electric bike. Our final pick is the Riding and #039 x 1500W electric bike, a perfect blend of power and comfort at an affordable price. This bike is powered by a 1500W motor, giving you speeds of up to 32 miles per hour. Whether you're commuting, running errands, or exploring trails, this bike ensures you get there quickly. The battery is removable and offers a range of up to 50 miles per charge. It's ideal for both short commutes and longer weekend rides. With its full suspension, this bike provides exceptional comfort on any terrain, from city streets to mountain trails. The fat tires offer great stability and grip, while the dual-disc brakes ensure safe and reliable stopping power. Pros? It's powerful, comfortable, and versatile. The cons? It's slightly bulkier and may require more maintenance. At $780, the Riding and #039 x 1500W electric bike offers excellent value for riders who want speed, comfort, and durability. This bike is a true all-rounder.